Hello HLP, this is Ricardo, and today I'm super excited to tell you the many ways you now have access to Gemini and the amazing things you can do. This is going to be probably a 5 or 6 part series because we're going to move from just using Gemini for shortcuts to truly changing the way we teach with GEMS, with Notebook LM, so many features available. So the first thing I want to show you is that you have access to Gemini straight from ClassLink. By just clicking on it, it's going to open it. And what I want you to see is that we are using our enterprise Gemini. What does that mean? It means that it is COPPA and FERPA compliant, searches are not used to train the model, your data is safe, and so on and so on. Notice now, you also have guided learning in here. But notice that over here, I also have the Flash. I also have the reasoning, math, and code, so you can switch between them. Just to give you an idea of how powerful this is, I'm going to ask for a lesson plan. I'm going to say generate a 60-minute lesson plan on air pollution, and I'm going to ask it to be culturally relevant and to actually bring Ecobat or Cuemeco into this lesson. And notice in the bottom while we're waiting, your Hacienda La Puente USD district chats are not used to improve our model. But you are going to see that this is so powerful that it's creating this amazing lesson plan that is interdisciplinary. So it's actually bringing all of our subjects in, and just an amazing tool to be able to use. That way, I have the ability to now go to create, and notice that I can create a web page, infographic, quizzes, audio overview just from that lesson plan. I also have the ability to come in here, and if I wanted to share it, I can export to docs, and that's going to be straight in my Google Drive. So that's available again straight from ClassLink. You also, if you have not noticed, when you go to your canvas, you will find this amazing new button in here that is called Google Gemini. Notice on your course navigation, click on it. It's going to take you inside of your course navigation. It's going to actually bring you into, notice this, create a new notebook inside of it or add to a course. This is incredible what you can do now inside of Canvas with Gemini. I will be making some videos on this, but just so you know that it is available right here. You can start a new chat in here. And finally, you can get there too through the old way Google Classroom. But the reason why I'm showing you this is because we don't use Google Classroom as our LMS. But in here, you have Gemini with pre-built shortcuts that you can use to just create an outline a lesson plan, generate a quiz, do many other things. But it uses your resources from Google Drive to make it more personal and to be able to use your resources to affect our students' learning. And I will also be making short videos on our GEMS, how to use them for specific tasks, and how to use Notebook LM. So again, this is Gemini available everywhere through ClassLink, through Canvas, and also through our old classic way of getting there via Google Classroom. Use that one when you're trying to use shortcuts. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.